So Christmas trees for 2026 planting continues. The team is moving along at a pretty good pace. They've only been planting for about 3 days. And as you can see, quite a few trees have been planted. And it's an absolutely beautiful day today. It was a bit foggy this morning, but clear skies. That ground is still the perfect moisture. It's not sopping wet, but it is still damp. And we have some rain coming in the next couple of days, which is going to be great for these trees. So one thing about these cypress Christmas trees are we do have to support them. So they get staked with this little piece of PVC. So you can see these have been staked and these still need to be staked. The guy's going through and pushing that piece of PVC in the ground to support them. So this field of mustard greens were only in the ground for about 4 weeks prior to the freeze coming. And they got severely burned. I'm gonna say we lost about 25% of this crop. It's not coming back at all. But that also means 75% of it is coming back. And you can see the part of the plant that did freeze and the part of the plant that is coming back. This is a field under cover crop. Specifically, we planted wheat and oats in this field. Now what we're gonna more than likely do is keep this field for the next 3 cycles under cover crops, and next year go ahead and try to bring in some pastured pigs in here to raise some of our own pork. Growing up so close to a railroad track, you kind of get used to it, and it's funny whenever you hear it, because it runs all hours of the night. It kind of sounds like a lullaby. So I'm out at our newest field. It's approximately 100 acres, and we plan to do several things here. The first being introducing an egg revenue stream to the operation. Now I don't want to give too much away because we kind of want to do this big reveal on how we're going to turn this pasture into an egg layer's paradise. And of course, we'll raise some beans on it, some peas, some other things. But this is it. I've been working on a special project, and I'm excited to announce that this project will officially go live within the next 7 days. So stay tuned for more details. So we got potting soil to go ahead and get us started on seeding plants for the spring. We'll seed tomatoes, peppers, all that good spring stuff. Not only for us, but we'll sell all the extra plants to the public. Well, it is a rainy, windy morning, which is good. As y'all saw earlier in the video, Christmas trees being planted. And so this rain is exactly what we wanted to have on them, but it also makes for a slow day. So we're working in the store this morning. Just making sure everything's ready. We have plenty of strawberry preserves on the shelf. I appreciate everybody watching. Make sure to drop your favorite part of the video in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.